Hello, if you are wondering if Apple Watch Series 10 needs Wi-Fi to work, then no, it actually doesn't need. Without Wi-Fi, the watch can still perform many functions such as tracking workouts, monitoring heart rate, and providing time and notifications when connected to your iPhone via Bluetooth. But with the Wi-Fi, your iPhone is not. If your iPhone is not nearby, the watch can actually connect to a known Wi-Fi network to access the features like, for example, sending messages, receiving messages, making calls. But if you have only the cellular model, right? And using apps that require internet access. And if you have the cellular model, so basically you can use many features without the Wi-Fi as it connects directly to the cellular network. So this is it. Basically, in summary, while the Apple Watch can work without the Wi-Fi, having it enhances the functionality, especially for internet-based features. Thanks for watching.